Mill lived and wrote during a time when there was increasing interest in socialism as a solution to the perceived problems in market economies like Britain. Mill understood that market economies were vastly superior to socialism, but also recognized that there were challenges. Namely, how can society provide a fair start for what he called the race of life and make sure all citizens, particularly the poor, can participate and flourish in market economies? Mill's solution, and one of his defining contributions as an economist and philosopher, was widespread and mandatory education for all citizens. He believed that basic education, like the ability to read, write, and do computations for all citizens, would provide them the necessary building blocks to fully participate in society. Mill also understood the limits of government and warned against a state monopoly in providing education. Instead, Mill argued that people needed choices in their education and that there should be wide-scale competition in the delivery of education. Mill believed that the many benefits provided to people from competition in other goods and services would also exist in education if it too were provided in a competitive environment. For Mill, widespread education was the mechanism to afford all citizens an equal opportunity to flourish in the economy.